Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. End portal is a structure from the game, Minecraft. It is found in strongholds and is used to travel to the end dimension. When all end portal frames are filled with Eyes of Ender, the portal activates and creates a gateway to the end pronunciation. French. In France, the term end portal is pronounced ʻɛnd Por-tul, with a clear end and a smooth Portail, ʻɛnd Por-tul, giving it a steady and flowing sound American. In America, people say ʻɛnd Por-tul, with emphasis on the first word, ʻɛnd Por-tul, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced ʻɛnd pɔʁ.tul, with a softer paw sound, ʻɛnd pɔʁtəl, giving it a smoother and more relaxed tone. Summary: French, ʻɛnd Por-tul; American, ʻɛnd Por-tul; British, ʻɛnd pɔʁtəl. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.